Hi, hello, welcome to Start Mutual Funds. I am Srinivas, an ASM 5A certified and AMFI registered mutual fund distributor. If you are watching first time this channel is more about investment and mutual fund services. So today we are going to discuss about how the day trader is trapped in stock market and how he lose the money and how to overcome. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Why common man trapped in day trading and how they are losing their hard-earned money in day trading. Will day trader really get the profits? And what is the probability of making the profit in day trading? And what experts suggest on day trading? And I hope end of this video you will get full clarity on day trading. So don't skip anywhere. One of the main reason for the day trader trap is YouTube. People normally watch the videos in the YouTube. They think that they can also get the same profits like that. But we don't have any proper authentication whether that profits genuine or not. We blindly believe that profits are genuine. Nowadays, with the help of the IT professionals, we can go and we can change the profits in the terminal, whatever the terminal they use, and they go and they change the code, then the fake profits are reflecting. If you search in the YouTube stock market fake profits, you will get a number of videos. You can came to know that how they are changing the profits and how they are trapping into day traders. But we cannot say all profits are fake. Some of them may be genuine. And another day trader trap strategy is TV channels. TV channels, they used to give the tips from morning 7 a.m. onwards, around 200, 100 to 200 stocks. After that, only 5 to 10 stocks able to perform well. If common man trying to do the trading with the suggestions of the TV channel, the end of the day, he may lose the money. I think most of the TV channel experts, they won't be do the any day trading. And another smart way of trap is stock market courses. Some of the people used to take the courses and they used to invest the money and time for learning these stock market courses. The stock market courses are useful for the long-term investment, not for the short-term investment and trading. If it is possible to make the money with the help of these courses, in every college you will find these courses only. Now we will try to understand what is the probability of making profit for the day trader. We will try to calculate the simple with the help of the simple calculation. We will get what is the probability of making profit. Let's consider the Nifty daily volatility is 1%. Means Nifty may move 1% up and down. In that moving the 1% up and down, what is the probability? Out of 100 days, Nifty only move 33 days above 1% and remaining 33 days it is in sideways. So it is clear that and one day is high volatility. So it is clear that anyone can trade only 66 days. If it is above 1% or below 1% or in and around 1%. In that out of 66 days, we will try to understand what is the probability of making profit on each day. For this, we have to go and we have to check what is the strategy. So most of the traders used to do the trade with the 5 minutes candlesticks, and some of them used to trade with the 15 minutes candlesticks. And we will check what is the probability of making profit with the 5 minutes candlesticks. If the person is doing with the 5 minutes candlesticks, so there is a how many candlesticks are there, and 1 by number of candlesticks is making the proper profitability. So we will check. So how many 5 minutes candlesticks are there in day? We will try to check. If the person is doing with the help of the 5 minutes candlesticks, then total number of candles in 5 minutes per day is, there is totally 74 candles in per day if the person is doing with the 5 minutes. So probability is 1 divided by 74 is a probability for making the profit. Out of that, there is a 2 probabilities, whether if the person can do buy or sell. So that is 1 by 2. So total probability is 1 by 144 is the probability for making the profit for the day traders. So that is, we will calculate and we will convert into percentages also. So 0.0069 is the probability for the person who is trading with the 5 minutes candlesticks. And we will try to convert into percentage. 0.69 is the winning percentage. So it is clear that if the person is doing with the 5 minutes candlesticks, so there is a 0.069 is the probability of making. The person is doing with the help of the 5 minutes candlestick, so there is a percentage of making profit is 0.69. And same way we will try to identify the person is doing with the help of the 50 minutes candlesticks. So there is a totally 24 candles per day. Identify, we will try to calculate what is the percentage. So that is 1 by 24, whether we can buy or sell. So that for that probability 1 by 2, if we multiply, that is 1 by 48. The probability is 0.020 is the probability of making the day trader with the help of the 15 minutes candle. And we will convert into percentage. We will multiply with the 100. So 2.08 is the percentage. So 2.08 is the profit making percentage for the day traders who is doing the trade with the help of the 15 minutes candlesticks. Means out of 100, only 2 people can the profit. So this is a probability, friends, to make the day trading profits. And some people used to do the trading in FNO. FNO is purely zero sum game. Means if 100 persons make the profit today, exactly 100 persons loss for today. And FNO purely made for the hedging purpose, not for the trading purpose. Hedging means if the person is having the 100 stocks of the XYZ company, if we think that market goes down or else that stock goes down, then he can short the call or future for that stock so that he can minimize his risk. In layman language, FNO or insurance for the stocks which you are holding in your demat. And another scenario I'll share, around 2 years back, Zero, the CEO cum founder, Nitin Kamath did one tweet about the day traders. In that tweet, he said that around only 1% of the people able to beat the FD rates as a return, and the remaining 99% people not able to make the profit more than FD rates. So it is clear that the CEO is having the each and every data. He disclosed such a truth behind the day traders. Another scenario I would like to share with you, that is mutual fund. You all are know, I think, mutual fund. Mutual fund normally give around 12 to max 30% as a return. So the fund manager who is managing the mutual fund, his salary is around in crores. I'll take in Google and make it search and I'll show you. So AI tool is showing that, but we will try to explore what is a fund manager salary. So Economics Times, which is authentication, it, Economics Times is having authenticate information. Fund managers take home up to 6 CR. So see friends, this is the salary for the mutual fund managers. HDFC around taking 6 CR, ICICI around 5 CR, and Reliance mutual funds, they are taking around 3 to 10 CR. So the person who is giving around 12 to 20 to 30, max to max 30% return, he is taking the salary as a crores. So let's imagine how these day traders are more efficient with the fund manager. Day traders, they are showing in YouTube's, they are showing 50%, 100% profits. If that is the case, why mutual funds take these YouTubers as the fund managers? That we have to identify. So technically, trading, there is a high probability of losing money. If you invest somewhere else, you will get the money, whatever it may be, like long-term investment, mutual fund investment, whatever you think comfortable, you can invest there itself only. If you still want to do the day trading, I will give you the one simple exercise. You try to do your end and then you can decide. You please try to identify 10 people, though from your friends and colleagues and in your relations, those who are doing day trading. And try to identify 10 more people, those from your friends and colleagues, those who are doing the investment and the long-term investment and mutual fund investment. And ask these two teams, traders, ask them how they are profitable in since last 2 or 3 years. And same thing asks to the investors who did an investment in equity and mutual funds. If traders are getting more profits, then you do the trading. If the investment people are getting more profits, then you follow the same thing with the help of the investors. I hope you are all understand how trading is different from the investment. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries related to or call to this following number. Thank you.